to look at a fun tool today. It's called Xray goggles. And when you first see it, it may seem like a toy or a gimmick, but it really does have a lot of classroom application. So let's get started by seeing how we're going to install it. So I'm just going to do a search for Xray goggles. Oh, there it is right there. So Xray goggles, it is made by Mozilla. Click on the link. And to get started, it wants you to install this tool. And step one is making sure that your bookmark toolbar is open. So mine's right here. If your bookmark toolbar is not showing, you can click on these three dots in Chrome and come down to bookmarks and make sure that you have this checked, show bookmarks bar. So that's step one. Step two is all you have to do is drag this up to your bookmarks bar. So I'm dragging the Xray goggles, let go, it's now installed. Very quick, very easy. What Xray goggles allows you to do is remix any page on the web. So to start using Xray goggles, I just click on my bookmark and I get this little toolbar down this right-hand side, and you'll see everywhere I'm hovering over in this page, I'm getting these boxes telling me that I can adjust or change or remix any of that information. So if I want to remix this title, I clicked on the title, and down here I get this. This is actually the HTML coding. So it's kind of neat that you can learn a little bit of HTML coding this way. So I can totally take this out and put in something like RSD rocks. How about that? So now this is the new title of this website. And when I click update, it's okay. I did not write over the internet. What I'm doing is essentially making a temporary copy for me. And when I'm done remixing this page, I'm going to be able to publish it out. So you're not really changing anything on the internet. So text is really easy. Anywhere you see text, you can replace the words just by typing. Images, you can definitely replace. They're a little trickier, and you'll see why. So I clicked on this picture, and it comes down to the HTML coding. It's not as straightforward as text because you just don't see the words that you're trying to change. What you're looking for in the code is you're looking for this source equals. So this SRC stands for source equals whatever is in quotes. So I'm going to replace this whole piece that's in quotes. The trick is when you're working with pictures, you want to make sure that what you're putting in ends with like a .png, .jpeg, something like that signifies it's a picture. So I'm going to replace this picture here with a funny cat picture. Why not? So I've already done a search for funny cats. Oh, I love this picture. And I'm going to right click, and you want to copy the image address, not the link address. The link address gives you the URL. You want the actual image address. So I'm going to copy that there, come back to my goggles, and I'm just going to replace all this in between the quotes by pasting it in there. So now you can see I've got this long mix, and there's my .jpeg, and look what it does. It puts that picture right in this page for me. I can hit update, and it would be there. Now, with this picture not being the correct size, I could even start to play with the percentage and change the size. So if 100 is too big, maybe I want to try like 85%, and you can see it changes quickly. So you can really start to work out and make it just perfect for the look that you're going for. I'm not going to waste your time by making this perfect. Click update, and now this picture is part of this page. I've changed wording, I've changed the picture. You can do this with all aspects of any web page that you come across. So let's say I'm done. I'm ready to move on. This is exactly how I want it to look, and I want the link to be able to turn it in or share it with someone. So I'm going to click publish. And when I do, it's going to want me to create an account or sign in. If you don't have one, create an account. I already have one, so I'm just going to sign in real quick so you can see the whole process. Oops. Helps if you remember your username and your password. Sorry about that. There we go. So I can hit publish this remix. And it takes a little bit, and here's my link. So that link is this temporary copy of this web page. Students could do this, turn this link into Google Classroom. You could do this as activity starters, unit starters, all of that, and display this link up on the projector just for a good way to get kids engaged in the activity right away. But again, check out this tool, play with it, and see what you like.